Someone here, Divine Collective, they are facing humiliation. This is someone who continues to try and to destiny swap the karmic with your energy. That is what Spirit is telling me. They are facing humiliation currently. Meanwhile, you are attracting a high vibrational soulmate in this storyline. Someone is trying to get back into your energy here, but it's like the audacity that they need you now. That's how I'm feeling, okay? Spirit says you are protected. I'm speaking to an earth angel. You've awakened to your full power here, okay? 12, 12, 12. You are attracting a high vibrational soulmate, Divine Collective. This is someone that you are romantically attracted to, okay? Experiencing intense emotions. Wow. Attracting a high vibrational soulmate. In this storyline, I'm picking up on a brother. There's an uncle here. Spirit says they are watching carefully. This entire situation was a projection. Spirit says this brother, this uncle that is watching you very carefully, they haven't changed their ways. This is who has been projecting onto you, Divine Collective. I'm getting an enabler. You are someone who is showing up as highly gifted. It's the right time to make this move. Yeah, someone here wants to make amends with you, but it's like, why now? Why now? It's because this person sees you attracting a high vibrational soulmate. This person sees you moving forward here, sees that you are highly gifted, okay? Spirit says the karmic is now doing magic on them, and someone is backpedaling to save face, okay? I'm getting a 1 month time span. Spirit is telling you, Divine Collective, it would be very beneficial to decline every invitation to return to the past. Your chariot is here. Your chariot is here. The light is more powerful than the darkness. These people have been very cruel, I feel, when it comes to you, Divine Collective. Spirit says they can't get their story straight. I keep hearing 12, 12, 12. Now I'm getting 10, 10 being of significance. 10, 10. You and someone are polar opposites here. I'm speaking to a spiritual messenger, an earth angel. You have forward movement here. Again, the chariot is here, moving you forward, Divine Collective. Someone was very superficial and materialistic in your energy. I'm getting sly, slick communication. Yeah, be cautious of someone trying to get back into your energy here. I'm getting sly, slick communication, Divine Collective. Boundaries, yeah. Stand firm on your boundaries when it comes to this person who only wants back in because they don't want you to move forward with anyone else. Spirit says you'll feel when an enemy is lurking. You'll feel when an enemy is lurking. There's a jealous karmic here that's lying. Crooked cops, crooked lawyer. I'm hearing crooked cops and crooked lawyer. I feel like they were all trying to destiny swap here with you, Divine Collective. Someone is about to have a viral moment, 4:53 on the clock, viral moment. The fakes and the fraudulence are now being exposed. Those that are not ordained by the Most High God. Viral moment. I'm picking up on jar spells here. Spirit says they took a chance and did it again, Divine Collective. But something about them respecting you now, but they took a chance and did it again, but they respect you now, okay? Because you've outsmarted the enemy here. I'm picking up on a difficult conversation with someone who is trying to make a calculated move towards you. The initial Y is of significance. I heard someone is about to pass away. Spirit is making something crystal clear in this story. The narrative has flipped. Psychological projections I'm picking up on. Someone lied on you in court. Pisces, Aries cusp, March 17th through the 23rd, 616 on the clock. Someone here is inconsistent and unreliable. A man whose intentions are not pure. Demonic contracts. Libra. Someone here is violent and in a state of confusion. There's multiple people gossiping, arguing about you in this storyline. Cousins possibly, Divine Collective, who celebrated too soon. Spirit says you will soon travel. Yeah, there's cousins here, Divine Collective. I feel like there was a karmic mother here. There's a lot of people here that was anticipating on collecting monies on some type of insurance policy. They had already celebrated getting this money and what they were going to do with it. In some cases, they did receive this money because of identity theft, Divine Collective. However, this is all being exposed. God's teaching these people a lesson because you are the generational curse breaker. Spirit says this was a very bad idea. Beware of imposters. 7:41 on the clock. I'm picking up on a private investigator in this storyline, a PI, private investigator. Once again, life insurance policy. Someone put a hit on you. They lied in court. There's a private investigator here. Warrants. There's an entire community here being issued a warrant. Trust that everything needed to fall into place, Divine Collective. These energies were stealing credit for your work. No need to worry, Divine Collective, because you've manifested relocation here. Again, who I'm speaking to, I feel like you're going to be traveling soon. You may do something in the public eye. Okay, you've gained the clarity needed to move forward, and this is a major victory, Divine Collective. 8:38 on the clock. Okay, 999 is here. Completion. This is representing completion. Okay, August 23rd through September 22nd is of significance. You are shining. You are in your 10 of cups here, Divine Collective. Spirit is saying, touch not my anointed. Do my prophets no harm. You've shown grace under pressure. Spirit says, you must learn to remove yourself without guilt. 914 on the clock. Someone changed your mailing address. Spirit says they did a lot, okay? They did a lot. There's a paralegal that could be involved here, or maybe you are the paralegal that is exposing this corrupt group, this corrupt family. I'm getting a paralegal. Spirit says seize the moment. They spent a lot of money. Spirit says they spent a lot of money to do this to you. This truth may break your heart, but it will open your eyes, Divine Collective. Okay? Smith, manipulation.